Great value for money, very rare. It's a part exchange to clear. This is not up to our normal retail standards. However, we think the car is in such a great condition with incredible service history that we'd like to offer it for retail. As I say, it is slightly older and higher mileage than they would normally retail, but let's take you all around it and you'll agree it is a very nice example. So we've got an Audi A5 3 litre TDI S-Line Quattro automatic. Registered in December 2013 on a 63 plate with about £3,300 worth of factory fitted options, finished in ice silver metallic. The 3 litre of course 245 brake horsepower, and Quattro of course 4-wheel drive. So great performance, great handling, a massive boot. Just look at that boot, absolutely huge, very well kept. As you can see, it's not been abused and knocked about. Nice and clean in the boot. Massive storage, split folding rear seats. Got the spare wheel. Bumpers in very good condition, so no major scuffs or dings or damage. There is an issue with the parking sensors. They are very intermittent, so we will point that out. That they work sometimes, not the other times, but that is how we're selling the car. Very straight on the bodywork, as you can see. It's got rear privacy glass. Good tyres all round with plenty of tread and in good condition. The wheels are nice and clean. Again, very tidy, no major big chunks or scrapes on those. So as you can see, no major scrapes or dings down the bodywork. Very clean and tidy. Again, the near side front wheel. No major damage to that. Again, plenty of tread on the tyre. Of course, with the mileage, there's going to be a few stone chips across the front, which we will try to point out on the video, but you can probably see him. But again, very tidy, considering it's done 121,000 miles. So a couple of stone chips there to point out. Of course, there's going to be a few across the front. A little bit of marking on the front grille. And happy to do a video to show you, so you don't have a wasted journey, so you can make a decision looking at this from the comfort of your home. So again, the driver's wheel and tyre, again very good. And again, all down the bodywork, no scrapes or dings or dents. So it does explain to you how well it has been looked after by its previous owners. 3 previous owners. We've got extensive folder. That's the final wheel and tyre. Extensive folder with service history, brake replacement, things like that over the years. All the doors, again, very good. All the upholstery inside is just incredible, and the way that it has been genuinely looked after. Massive space there. Of course, you've got the pillarless doors, so just the glass frameless doors. Again, the driver's door trim, all the switches all in good condition, all the entry points, and look at that driver's seat, look at the condition of that. Absolutely beautiful. S-Line of course embossed on there. Leather multifunction steering wheel, and there's the mileage of 121,242, 121,242, 2013 car. So not extensively high mileage, but of course 120,000 miles. It has got the technology pack with navigation. So as I mentioned, £3,300 worth of factory fit options approximately. And clearly navigation. Good sound system on the vehicle. Nice clear display with navigation, Bluetooth phone connection. Of course, the rest of the media information on that. Just pointing out everything on the menu, including the service there, next one due. Media input just under the flap, SD card, and you've also got the CD multi-changer, which was an option. Just in the glove box there. So 6 CD changer. Of course, all the media input off of there. The menu on there, straightforward. Paddle shift gear change. Various stereo modes on there.
Navigation.
Of course, you've got voice activation as well, making it safe to get directions or dial somebody or change radio stations. Various menu and display on the dashboard. Paddle shift gear change, as I mentioned. Cruise control, speed limiter. Heated front seats, again that was an option. Start it up, sounds absolutely beautiful, no warning lights on the dashboard, drives absolutely tremendous, nice smooth V6 diesel, just purring away. So there we have it, our Audi A5 3 litre TDI S-Line Quattro Sportback. Amazing value. We've got the book packs. There's only one key with the vehicle. No finance available due to the mileage of the vehicle. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Phone number again 01782 822 700.